Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Techno Hacks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Roblox on your PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.roblox.com in the search bar and perform your search. Log into your Roblox account like you normally do, and once you are logged in, go ahead and pick any game that you'd like to play and give it a click. Now, click on the play button in green right next to the game and you'll receive this pop-up on the screen. You'll be able to see the option to download and install Roblox on your PC. Give it a click to continue downloading the application. Now your Roblox launcher has been downloaded. Click on the open file link to open up the file, and this will take you through the installation process for Roblox. Wait until the application gets installed, which is a quick process, and after waiting for a couple of minutes, you'll be able to download and install Roblox application for your PC. Now, simply open up the application by double-clicking the Roblox player shortcut, and that's how you can easily get it on your PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.